If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today the recipe that I'm going to show you is something that I enjoyed so much when I was in India for the travel trip, 1 month trip. So I stayed with my mom for like a week and I have been having this delicious recipe, like this delicious dish every single evening. It is so delicious, so healthy, super filling, and I was like, I'm gonna go back and make this dish and show it to all my viewers because they're gonna love it. So it's super simple. It's called broccoli soup, and by hearing the name you must be like, oh my god, this is super healthy. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but do not worry guys, I don't eat anything that doesn't taste good, and trust me, this soup is like kind of a no oil soup and it is so delicious. What I did? No oil soup. Okay, so let me just show you the ingredients really quick and get started with the recipe. So I have ground ginger over here, but you can also use fresh ginger. I just came back from India. I forgot to get actually ginger. That is why I'm using the ground ginger here. And I have some black pepper, some salt, I have some heavy cream, I have I already did the black pepper, so I'm just gonna keep this aside. I have some onion, some broccoli. This is frozen broccoli. You can also use fresh broccoli, and I have some water. That's it. These are all the things you're gonna need, and I'm just gonna cook it up in my Instant Pot, and it's gonna be super simple. I just need to put everything in here, let the Instant Pot do the magic, and I can just read a magazine for now. Kind of a thing. So let's get started with the cooking. Okay, first thing, my Instant Pot is in saute mode. What I'm going to do is just add a little splash of water, not much, because I'm not using any oil here. So to this water, I'm gonna add the onions. I'm gonna add ginger powder. And for the exact measurements, you can go to the description box below. There will be a link to my website, and you can check out the recipe right there. Some ginger powder. Just going to give it a good mix. I'm going to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. That is the maximum time you need to saute. If you want, you can also add oil, but if you prefer not using it, just skip it. Like for now, it's not something that I don't use oil. Dish is kind of something where it's not necessary to use any oil, so that's why I'm just skipping it. And then to this, I'm gonna add the broccoli. I'm going to give it a mix, saute it for 2 to 3 minutes, and I will show it to you when it gets there. So now that my onions and broccoli are sauteed, I'm going to add some salt. I'm not going to add the black pepper right now. It's going to be in the end when it's ready to serve. And I'm also going to check the salt once again when it's ready to serve. But for now, these are only the things that I'm going to add. I'm also going to add some water right now. I'm going to cover it with a lid and pressure cook it for 5 minutes. Actually 6 minutes. And that's it. My soup is gonna be ready. I'm gonna show it to you once it's ready and when the pressure cook does the magic. Okay, so you can see the soup is all done. They're all soft and everything. And now one last final step. What I'm going to do is I have this food processor over here. I'm going to transfer everything in here, blend it until it's very nice and smooth, and until there are no chunks left. If you want a chunky one, just blend it according to you, but I like it smooth. So that is what I'm going to do. Blend it until there are no chunks left, and then pour it in a serving bowl and show you how I serve it. Soup is all blended. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it back here. You can see how nice and smooth it is. need to pour it back here and heat it up. My Instant Pot is in soup mode. So this will go here. I'm just gonna heat this up and add in the black pepper now. It's a good pinch of black pepper. Let's see how nice and smooth it is. You see it has started boiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of heavy cream, pour a little bit in here, give it a mix. Not too much, just very little, like a tiny bit. And switch off the heat and it's ready to serve. I'm going to serve it in the bowl and let's do the taste testing then. Okay, the soup is served in this beautiful which I recently got. And it has a soup plate, soup bowl, soup spoon, and what I did is I just poured a little bit of heavy cream. And now let's take a good delicious bite. Sorry, not a bite. Oh my god, it is so good, it is so flavorful, and it's just so smooth. I love smooth soups, so this is perfect for me. But if you like a little chunky, just feel free to not blend it properly and leave a little bit chunk here and there, but otherwise it is delicious. And for this recipe you can go to the description box below, check out the link of my website and you can find the proper exact recipe. And I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. See you in my next episode, so bye bye.